In this video, you will learn how to add a donation button to Wix. Follow this simple guide. First, go to wix.com and log into your account using your credentials. Select the website you want to add the donation button to. Once your site is selected, click on Edit Site button to open the website editor. Here, in the left sidebar, click on the plus button or add button. Select button under the add menu. Choose a button style that fits your website and drag it onto the page where you want it to appear. Click on the button to open its settings. In the text field, change the button to something like Donate Now or Support Us, based on the purpose of the button. You have several ways to set up donations on Wix. If you want to directly collect donations, you can use Wix's payment. Click on the button, choose Link. Select web address and enter the link of payment, such as Stripe, PayPal, or another payment platform that you're using. If you want to use PayPal, follow these steps. Click on the button, click Link, then choose Web Address. Paste your PayPal donation link into the URL field. Here, people can click it and donate to your PayPal. Once you are finished setting up the donation button, click Preview and check how it looks on your website, and check if it functions properly. There you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.